Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my makeup and stuff is done. In a bit you're gonna see how I installed the wig etc, so let's just get cracking to that. Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the last one. Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the last one.
Closer from the last one. I'm looking for a good vibration. Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the last one. I'm looking for a good vibration.
Hey guys, so you just see me install the wig. I just did my makeup real quick. If you want to see how I got this look, check out my Instagram. It's YASMIN Buacchiie. You'll see how I got this look. Just look out for the top and the headband. You'll see it. But anyway, yeah, I just sorry for the background noise stuff. I'm using the microphone on the camera because I have to go and run some errands. Anyway, so let's take it out. I literally hope you guys enjoyed the install. I just want to show you guys the reveal. I bleached the knots. I had to bleach the knots twice because the first time, because I use 40 developer and people are like, you do 10 to 15 minutes. First time I did 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards I checked and I was like, nah, I can still see loads of the knots. So I bleached it again the second time for like another like 5-10 minutes. So like I think I bleached the knots for in total 25 minutes, and it came out amazing. This wig is from Ali Pearl Hair and it is a 13 by 4. and it is 18 inches, so it goes down to there. I'm really impressed. Like, people bang on about Ali Pearl, and I'm like, I'm really impressed. Anyway, let me show you guys the reveal. Look at that, guys. Still need to flatten this a bit, but different topic. But look at that. Lace wear, wig wear. Like, this is cute. So I have quite a bit of forward like hair in the front. I can't remember what it's called. So it's kind of like hard for me when it comes to wigs, but it managed to go in there and blend on perfectly. Look at this, guys. I got a medium size cap because I didn't want to get a small just in case it didn't fit. Yeah, whenever I'm getting hair from like overseas and stuff, whenever I'm buying like a ready-made wig, like one that's not customized, I always go for a medium cap. So there's loads of space back there. Like, but look at this. Like, how good is this? Just so you guys can see. First off, I want to say the lace is amazing. At first I was like, I don't know, because I had hair from Yolissa hair before, and that one's all right, but that's a different topic. Like, where is my hairband? It's so hard to get your frontal in a ponytail that is like somewhat tight. Hair is silky smooth, as you can see, very shiny. I did put some of the shine like products in there, but it's very silky smooth, very shiny. I got 180 density. It's very, very full. It did come with baby hairs already attached. Those baby hairs are still on this wig. My hair's just all pushed back basically. I've inserted clips of like me bleaching it, me plucking it. Unfortunately, I didn't show me like after I finished plucking it, but as you can see, like, it looks really good. Like, guys, if you don't pluck your wigs, you're making such a big mistake because it makes such a difference. I would say I plucked one side more, which I think was this side more than that side, as you can kind of tell, but it's not a big deal. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see videos like this, like more hair videos. Just let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. Have you guys bought from Ali Pearl before? And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.